Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This video is for everyone who has Ford Taurus, Flex, Explorer, and you have your fuel module controller failed on you. Your car either dies or just doesn't want to start. Same thing happened to me, and you probably have seen my video on how to replace that module. If you didn't, I'm gonna put it in the comment section below, and also I'm gonna put a link right here above somewhere. Watch that video if it's happening to you. If you need to replace it right away, it's really quick steps on how to get it replaced. If you already have it replaced and you want to get your money back, there's actually recall for those modules. 2013 through 2016 Ford, mentioned above, the Explorer, Taurus, Flex, and whatever Edge, Ford Edge as well. There's two ways of replacing it and getting your money back. Way number one is you go back to the dealer, you provide them VIN number, and they'll do it for you for free. If your car's starting to having issues with the starting up or running and it dies on its own, or if it doesn't, I would still recommend you to getting it done, because the older revision of the module is there's something wrong with it, and for that reason they're replacing it for the new revision one. If yours doesn't have an issue yet, you might later. So I'll say call your dealer, provide your VIN number, ask for a fuel module controller recall, and they'll tell you if you qualify, and you can stop in and they do it really quickly. Now that's how you get it replaced for free. The second way to get it replaced for free is same thing that happens to me. It's not the easiest way, but I'll explain you how that's done. If you already replace it at your own cost and you want to get your money back, this is how you do it. Same thing happened to me, and I managed to handle it. Now, I broke down on the freeway, like I said, videos down below. Kind of looked it up. I figured out what it was. I went straight to my local dealer. They had one in stock. They handed me one. I paid cash for it. They didn't tell me it's a recall. I went back to the car, plugged it in, started right up. Everything was fine after that. So I got home, and the same day I was looking up on the Google, and I came across posts that there's a recall for that module. So I called back to my dealer service guy that I bought this the module from, same day or maybe next day. And I told him, hey, there's a recall for it. Can you guys look it up? He's like, what's your VIN number? I gave him my VIN number. He looked it up and he says, yes, there's a recall for it. You can have it for free, but you know, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I'm like, can I get my money back? He's like, no, you can't, because you didn't fix it through our shop. We didn't replace it for you. We don't know if you did it right or not. We can't just give you money back. Absolutely not happening. I'm like, well, I just paid for it. He's like, nope, not happening. It's not gonna happen. Okay. Fine, I hang up. I didn't argue much because I have to go back to the same dealer over and over for other things. I looked up directly, I went to Ford.com and looked up their customer service number at their corporate level. I called the number, nicest lady picks up the phone, and she's like, how can I help you? I'm like, well, here's the deal. Car broke down, your recalled item, which is module, fuel control module, and I figured out that was it. I went to the dealer, picked up the new one, plugged it in, fixed it myself. Then I'm trying to get the money back now, and they're not willing to pay me. They're saying it's not possible. She's like, whoa, hold on a second. Go back to your service people, go back to your dealer, and tell them that we're telling them that they need to figure out a way of doing it. If they don't do it, call us back again. We'll fix it for you. We'll figure that out. So back on the phone with my dealer service parts guy. Told him what the corporate nice lady told me, and all of a sudden the story changes. He's like, well, yeah, we can, if you bring your car in and we'll just take your module off and plug it back in again, it'll consider as our repair, and then we'll just get your money back. And you know, it's not going to be us handing you money, but we'll have Ford emailing you check. All of a sudden a different story, right? So I go straight to the dealer, same day, drop the car off. 2 minutes later, the serviceman comes out. Here's your key. So he just plugged in, plugged it. It's really easy to replace or get to it. It's right behind the back seat in the corner. And they took my information. They said within 2 weeks probably you'll get your check from Ford. Sure enough, 10 days later I get my check in the mail for whatever the amount I paid for it. So that's how you fix it. if you already paid for it. If you purchased it through the dealer, you have to be purchasing through the dealer. If you didn't buy it through the dealer, if you bought it on eBay or some other website online, I don't know if that will work, because you have to work with the people that actually you bought from, and that has to be a certified dealer. So that's the story. If that helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Ford videos and information about Ford Taurus. Thank you.